everybody, it's Dr. Ratchet! And excuse us for being Ratchet, because we were the same clothes for the last 3 days. Okay, so today we are doing the Dr. Ratchet Olympics! Yay! Okay, so we have 3 challenges that we're doing. Each challenge we're switching our partners, but the first one what we're doing is for a minute, who can hold, not for a minute, who can hold their double chin the longest. So me and Emily are partners and Jasmine and Amanda are partners. Emily, if you give up, I'm seriously going to stop you. It hurts.
Okay, I have to make sure it's still there.
Hello, person who just came into my house.
Hang in there, buddy.
Shut up, Emily. Concentrate.
Guys, you guys are gonna lose.
No, you're not.
I got this.
Leave me alone.
Stop it. Guys.
Oh, this hurts the chin. It doesn't hurt me. The other wimps.
It's still there, guys.
I have a headache.
I know my neck is gonna give up. I can't breathe.
Emily, hold it.
Don't give out. It hurts. Why does this hurt so bad? Ow! Ew, why are you pulling the toes? Jazz, I can't do it anymore. You can't.
Give up, Amanda.
Shut up.
If you hit me one more time, it's
Guys,
going to
yeah. Amanda, it hurts.
You just gave up, Jazz. I'll tell you.
I didn't. I still got the double chin and she's smiling on it. Amanda, look down at your puppies. Guys, I think it is up.
Huh? No, we're not doing it to her.
Emma's giving up. She's doing it. Who?
Yeah.
Emma just gave up.
Nuh-uh, you just gave up.
Did she?
You just gave up.
Did you?
I don't know what. Okay, if one of your partner gives out, it's okay, because it's the last man standing.
Guys, I can't do it anymore. Together? One. Together.
Together, forever, everyone. Why am I touching you?
I give up. It's permanent.
Champion!
It's permanent.
Okay, for our second challenge, me and Jasmine are partners, and Amanda and Emily are partners.
We're losing.
If you didn't know, me and Emily's team won, so I technically won because I held the longest. So this challenge is who can finish the bowl of spicy nacho Doritos the fastest. So on your mark,
Gotta be kidding me.
just wait, Jasmine have it. Okay, on your mark, get set, go.
Win. Come on, babe. Faster. Everyone's got a lot of spice. Winning. Crap. Faster. It's going in. Got a lot of spicy stuff. Uh-oh. Amanda! What? I'm shoving it in my mouth and you aren't. Oh, look it. They can't swallow it all.
Even the dust on your fingers.
Uh-huh.
Good.
Done. You didn't get it all.
Done.
I have 2 fingers left.
We're the champions, my friend. I literally did not swallow anything. I just had a big gulp.
Ew.
That was really good. That was really good.
Okay.
For the third challenge, we are doing who can do like the best makeup of Dr. Ratchet.
Okay, you guys have
so,
to...
me and Amanda are partners, and I'm gonna be doing her face, and then Jasmine and Emily are partners, and Jasmine's gonna do Emily's face, and then Amanda's awesome mother is going to judge. So, a minute 30 on the clock. Jazz, can you tell us when to go?
I got it.
Amanda got it. Never mind.
I got this. Oh, shoot. Okay, should I just do a stopwatch?
Sure.
Because you can't do a timer for a minute and 30 seconds. You can only do it for... Right, I can just go like this. Ready, set, go.
Start going. You have Dorito crumbs.
Yes.
Okay. Jim, you can't watch.
I'm not looking at you.
I'm so sexy.
Okay, I can. What is it?
You're at 42 seconds.
Okay, I'm good. I'm good at this. I'm pro.
Oh, that hurts.
Sorry. I'm so sorry. It's okay. Beauty's pain. Beauty's pain.
Ow!
How old is that stuff?
Okay, and more lips. More lips. Gorgeous. Gorgeous.
You're at a minute on 9.
I forgot about my cheek circles.
And the nose dot.
Hasn't it been a minute?
No. Well, yeah. We're at a minute 25.
Color, color, color.
And done.
I like your teeth.
Okay. Stopwatch is...
Wait, no.
What?
Start right now.
Okay. Stopwatch is started. Stop smiling.
Man, oh my. You look right up here. How did that happen? Man, smile. I love your teeth. Your 2 front teeth.
You're at 45 seconds.
Enjoy that. I hurt your eyebrows.
Really dug in.
I need to get dark.
Ow.
You're at a minute.
Ow!
28, 27,
Stop it.
26,
It
25,
hurts.
24, 23, 22, 21, 30, 29. I mean, darn it. I'm bad.
So now you just take us and I'm gonna just
Okay.
Oh, I feel it on my teeth.
No. Yeah. Oh, it's on your bottom canvas. Or coal. Oh, it's stuck. Beauty's pain. Oh, it's staining your teeth.
That's my finishing touches.
It's okay.
Oh, you guys are way past a minute.
So-
30 seconds.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, this is my lovely father.
Who
Yes, very lovely. And he is going to judge whose makeup looks more like Dr. Ratchet's.
See me right there. I'm beautiful.
Okay, Father.
Yeah, I have to say amen.
Well, I hope you like the Dr. Ratchet Olympics.
Yeah, don't
And
tell me last
know who won? Dr. Ratchet. Dr. Ratchet.
Yes!
Dr. Ratchet won. Dr. Ratchet won. Thank you. 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 Thank you.
You're welcome!
Thank you.
You're not welcome.
I'm sorry. Well, hope you liked this video and give it a big thumbs up. We'll be posting our last special tomorrow, but then we still have our very special video on Sunday, our Easter special with our 2 special guests. So tune in to find out who those are. Love you. Kisses.
Deuces.
Bye.